What is JavaScript? JavaScript is the programming language for the web. JavaScript can update and change both HTML and CSS. JavaScript can calculate, manipulate and validate data. JavaScript variables are containers for storing data values. In this example, X, Y and Z are variables. JavaScript numbers. JavaScript has only one type of number. Numbers can be written with or without decimals. All numbers are stored as double precision floating point numbers. The maximum number of decimals is 17, but floating point is not always 100% accurate. JavaScript strings. Strings store text. Strings are written inside quotes. You can use single or double quotes. The length of a string is found in the built-in property length. JavaScript objects. You have already learned that JavaScript variables are containers for data values. This code assigns a simple value fiat to a variable named car. Objects are variables too, but objects can contain many values. This code assigns many values fiat, 500, white to a variable named car. JavaScript arrays. JavaScript arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. JavaScript functions. A JavaScript function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. A JavaScript function is executed when something invokes it, calls it. What can JavaScript do? This section contains some examples of what JavaScript can do. JavaScript can change HTML content. JavaScript can change HTML attribute values. JavaScript can change HTML styles CSS. JavaScript can hide HTML elements. JavaScript can show HTML elements. JavaScript can change HTML content. One of many JavaScript HTML methods is getElementBeat. This example uses the method to find an HTML element with ID is equal to demo and changes the element content inner HTML to hello JavaScript. JavaScript can change HTML attribute values. In this example, JavaScript changes the value of the src source attribute of an int tag. JavaScript can change HTML styles CSS. Changing the style of an HTML element is a variant of changing an HTML attribute. JavaScript can hide HTML elements. Hiding HTML elements can be done by changing the display style. JavaScript can show HTML elements. Showing hidden HTML elements can also be done by changing the display style.